So how can you record a video while reading a script on your Android phone? Let me talk about it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So you can use an app which you download from the Play Store, and it's called Teleprompter app. So this is what you need to look up inside of the search, and you are going to be able to see some apps which get the job done, but it's usually just the same principle. Like you have a floating display or you have some text which shows up above the camera, and you essentially just need to install it and make sure you just make it work. But this is going to make sure that you can read stuff from your screen and have the ability to record yourself actually reading it. So if I open up an app like this, you can see that I can get inside and I have the ability to import some text or, write in my own one. When I click on it like this, I have the ability to turn it into a floating window, and I can actually leave the app like this and open up my camera and just go to the video mode like this, and I will have the ability to just click on play on the teleprompter so the text starts moving, and then I can as well start recording a video. So I have the same thing running at the same time. So I believe that it's actually very useful. You can get the most out of your device using this feature. I also made a video on how you can do this on the iPhone as well, but yeah, on there it's a bit more complicated. On Androids it's much easier. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.